Hello, my name's Andrea. I am Twisted Creations Home and Bath. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new product. I'm going to show you a body spray that I make. We're going to start with the Winter Wonderland theme. We are going to start with Winter Forest, so let's go ahead and get started. First, we are making a 6-ounce batch, so we're making one 4-ounce and one 2-ounce, and we need 114 grams of water. Which on here is a half a cup. Half a cup of water. Now we're going to add witch hazel. In a smaller container, we're going to mix our glycerin, our fragrance, and our preservative. And we will see if we need polysorbate 80. Polysorbate 80 is what mixes oils and water together. And depending on my fragrance oils, sometimes I need polysorbate 80. This is a pre-mix of my fragrance oil that I put together when I did the soaps. It is a pine with hints of ginger and cinnamon. Anytime you have a product with water in it, you're going to add a preservative to it so it doesn't grow bacteria or mold. I'm using potassium sorbate granules that you can't really read, but this is a good alternative for this is a good natural preservative that I also use to make my products as natural as I can. And so far this has worked out for me. Just gonna mix until I dissolve the preservative into the glycerin. Okay. That looks like there's oil in it, so we are going to add a small teeny bit of polysorbate 80. Yes, I eyeballed that, but I know how much to put in there. It's half of your oil, and I used 3 milliliters of fragrance, so I know this is going to be a milliliter, no more than a milliliter of fragrance or polysorbate 80. I'm gonna heat this up for a second. I found heating up my mixture to just above room temperature helps blend the oils and the water together. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. It fell down. Okay. I wanted to show you that I barely heated it up. Yes, you can see the preservative is not completely melted in there, but a lot of it is. It'll finish dissolving into the water. As you can see, it is melting in there and dissolving. You're going to just keep mixing until it's thoroughly blended. go. And now we're going to blend, or pour. Sorry, we're going to pour. As much as I like myself, I don't trust that. In fact, I used one that's not. Doesn't have that on there. I don't trust myself. Okay. Didn't quite get enough fluids mixed together, so we're gonna add just a little bit. Finish filling up the bottle. Two ounces, 4 ounces. And there we go. Now we have our Winter Forest body mist. This will not stain. Cloves. Either approve or disapprove. As you can see, there's no color transfer, just a light body spray. That smells really good. And then I'm going to get these photographed, labeled up, and put on my website. And until next time, have a great day.